trying to do a cinematic shot.
I know, it's background music.
That was terrible. That was like 80s.
Right, I'm sorry. Restart it. I got better music. You're ruining the shot again.
Versus just this old girl. Grandpa's truck. Bear with me, they got construction going on all over the place here. 2008 Duramax with most bolt-ons. Got a stock turbo, just got a pusher intake on it. It's got 4-inch exhaust. Just got some goodies. We made about 450 wheel horsepower and about 850 torque. So we got a lot of extra weight. I'm hoping that I got a good 60 foot. I think he's gonna be playing catch up. So I kind of found out what Cleetus had run in the Galaxy, and I was figuring, hey, you know what? My truck is like right there, and if I can get a 60 foot on you, I don't think you're gonna reel me back in. We did a daily driver racing challenge, and I got second place of all the guys in the shop. Georgie had a truck, beat me by about a half a truck, but we've upgraded a little bit since then, and we're about to upgrade a little bit more, and then maybe some more. Whatever it takes, okay? We need to establish dominance early and often. So what are you guys hanging out over by my truck for?
Nice truck, a lot of shade. Just looking at your cool pusher stuff you have here.
Let's fix this real quick here. We're gonna.
Come on, you gotta find it.
Oh, God.
There's one thing.
Please tell me you didn't unplug anything. Mischief.
You'll know when you did tell you.
Mischief.
Can't say I didn't tell you.
Going Beverly Hills Cop style right now. Oh, that's got a nice... I can't really cram that any tighter, but that's pretty good. Guys, I'm so pumped about this shirt that we just came out with. Absolutely nailed it with the design. The shirt is available for pre-order through July 18th, so check it out. Go to our store. While you're at the store, check out some of the other merchandise that you have. All your support is greatly appreciated so that we can bring you goofy stuff like this. But now, let's get back to the race. So guys, we're going to Showtime Speedway in Clearwater, Florida, and they are so welcoming of us to be able to screw around and use their facility. So come down sometime, check them out. They've got a whole lot of cool stuff going on. Wednesday nights, they have 8th Mile drag racing. On Saturday nights, a lot of times they have drifting. They do host a lot of crazy events. We actually went to a figure 8 event that they had here, and it was absolutely freaking nuts. I'd never been to anything like that. All right, we're on the way to the drag strip here.
He's like, oh, you're gonna
just totally smoked this out there. Oh my gosh, dude, this has got a wobbly freaking wheel. We did some practice hits on the street, just trying to see how this thing would launch. I hope we got this figured out. Lead the way. I've been wanting to like smoke them out forever. Yeah, good thing we caught that wobbly tire that was just a couple threads on. I'll take a look at it going down. I haven't seen it wobble as much. So there we are. That's going to be our start right there. The track, this is not the most favorable part of the track. This is the shutdown, so that's what we're working with right there. Down there on the other side where we just were was freaking amazing. Now notice on this side right here, we are losing about 6 feet of asphalt, and that side has some water. So we're going to shut it down right before that. Every possible advantage. That is for aerodynamics. Perfect. Look at them over there, scheming. Hey, 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 no, 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 get out of here, get out of here. Trying to sabotage me. Oh man, this is like a sibling rivalry here. Oh. Arm drop ready.
So yeah, I was honestly. There's a build up to this. That's just not going to cut it. test launches?
I need as much help as I can get there.
Leave in 5.
No. I was trying to, okay, so look, the strategy is I'm trying to leave in 1, which is the low powered one, and as soon as she shifts second, I'm turning her all the way up. But it's spun all the way through first and like halfway through second, so I got a little rambunctious.
Is that nitrous? Oh, you're gonna try for a mulligan.
I spun a lot more than I should have. So.
Well, that's all up to your feet there.
It is. We're gonna work it. Let's try it again here.
We still have to talk about the 1-year update on the Tahoe and how much you owe me. I'm gonna do some math, crunch some numbers.
Still haven't paid the $12,600 bill. Much closer. I might have given him a little bit of a jump there. I think the first one he probably had a little bit of he might have had a little jump on me, but I have tuned with a 5-way selectable tune, and so basically I'm trying to leave in first and then flick it over to setting 5, which makes about 450 wheel. And I think when I did that in second gear, I think I spun all the way through second, but his car is so loud I couldn't hear.
Well, on that one, you definitely beat him on the tree.
Yeah. Well, I was hoping I didn't jump him. Did I? Yeah.
You didn't jump. No, you left like perfect.
Okay. That was more what I expected. So what was your take on that there?
It was good. You definitely left on me, so I had some reeling to do to get past you.
I was a little worried I jumped, but apparently, as to the James...
No, I think it was a clean reel.
Okay.
He was just slow this time. For the first race, he was fast.
Yeah, I think I was sleeping on the first one pretty bad.
You keep spinning the tires.
Yeah. Now, that second one, I literally had no idea because you went by me, and that thing is so loud. Like, I really couldn't hear if I was spinning in my tack. Just stayed at the same area the whole time. Yeah. It's loud sitting here idling.
I wish we could shut it off.
If you switch sides, the exhaust will be on in your ear.
We're good. Everything's working out all right. All right, so I made a little tire pressure adjustment.
Cool.
Gave her a little 6 count since I don't have a tire pressure gauge, but you know.
Yeah, and I got a little greedy. I hit the button last time just to put the gap down, but this time I'm not gonna touch it.
Thanks.
And dude, it's so hard having a nitrous button in the car. Like, how do you not hit it? You know what I mean?
I can relate.
Yeah.
I can appreciate it.
Maybe we should turn the bottle off.
Have you locked it yet?
Yeah, I locked it on now. I locked it.
Oh, he did lock it. James was cluing me in that he was like, you don't have a prayer with the
first one.
The first one it almost did better without it locked.
Yeah. You didn't lock it up on the first one.
No lock on the first one.
All right. Yeah, you did. You were gaining some ground on the. How fast were you going? I didn't even check my speedo.
I was in overdrive.
I don't know where
I have 90. All right, let's run it.
All right. No nitrous.
So he's gonna do a burnout. He's gonna try to leave where he does his burnout at.
Oh, he's gonna get the surface a little hot.
He's gonna do a little dry hop.
Real deal. To the top.
Wow.
I'm gonna do that little dry.
That was a full-blown burnout.
Just gonna do a dry hop.
I was like, you know, while I'm there, why not just John Force it? He jumped me bad. He jumped me way bad. Oh, we definitely smoked the tires like way worse that time. I think we can agree that I spun a little much there. Yeah. Shame on me. I gotta get my 4-wheel drive.
James is just kicking a dead horse.
This is brutal.
Not saying you're a dead horse.
Ladies and gentlemen, I need to come back with some 4-wheel drive, and I'm not gonna take an L like this here. So And we need some more power.
Oh, dude, if you had 4-wheel drive, it'd probably be a pretty decent race. If you could leave on like 30 pounds of booze.
That would be nice. That'd be nice.
What do you think's broken on it?
I have no idea. We had a problem with the transfer case a while back, so we're gonna work on that. But anyhow, we're gonna send some more power back at you because I don't want to take a loss like that.
If you're getting 4-wheel drive, I'm gonna put a drag radial on. I got a street tire.
I think even if I don't get it, I think I need a drag radial. I mean, that's
I think you need a drag radial and a bigger turbo.
I agree with
nitrous.
I agree with you. I really wanted to be able to get nitrous on the car, but we're really getting ready for another very tight project, so I didn't have time to put nitrous on the truck. Okay. Guys, bear with us. It's got a hell of a lot of wind going down here today, so we'll be back.
We will.
So,
Galaxy versus Cummins versus Duramax, round 2, coming soon. Turbo and tires and all-wheel drive for you, and then I'll just do tires. And I might do some fuel stuff.
Okay. Well, some more fuel mods. Thanks for the race. Appreciate it.
With you, brother. Love you. See you next time. Log deep.
All right, this old girl is something special here.
Me?
Wow.
Or the Galaxy?
The Galaxy.
Oh, God, yeah. It is. Glory.
This is, actually, you know what? I don't think I've ever really driven a Cummins other than this.
For my truck. Love you.
Yeah. I did drive your truck. And the truck was decent, you know, it's strong. This thing is kind of it's pretty impressive. I mean, it's got some pretty raw torque. Does not rev like the Duramax, but holy crap.
You gotta like short
It's got some torque. All right, so we'll do a quick little,
first through third.
do something there.
Here we go.
What a boat! Holy crap, look at that.
Isn't that awesome? I love it, dude. I love the feeling of it. It's so raw.
Yeah.
It's just like,
I mean, this is certainly...
you gotta actually kind of drive it. It's not that fast, but you kind of gotta drive it.
I like how boaty is. It's just like...
Yeah, it really does slice and dice.
Well, this was a hell of a lot of fun. I'm tired of Cleetus beating me, so we've really got to up the ante. I'm not gonna take a loss like this, guys. We're gonna be back. We're gonna make a whole bunch more power. We're gonna stick it to him. Buddy, thanks.
That was a blast.
I like this sibling rivalry that we have.
I know, it's fun. It's too much fun, dude. Yeah, we gotta just do it. We gotta come up with something like weekly.
Yeah.
It's so easy and fun to just hang out and screw around.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. God bless you. We'll see you next time.